Welcome! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a full site editing WordPress theme. In this video, we'll focus on how to wrap your sections using the Gutenverse Pattern Wrapper. Once all your theme designs are complete, both in the pages and templates, it's time to wrap each section using the Gutenverse Pattern Wrapper. Wrapping your sections as patterns is important because it ensures all your content, including images and settings, will be included when you export your theme. It also lets you take advantage of the pattern sync feature, which makes it easier to update repeating sections. Now let's start wrapping a section from a page. In this example, we'll use the home page. Go to the Theme Builder menu, then select Page and edit your home page. Once the editor is open, let's wrap the hero section as our example. Click the plus icon, search for the Pattern Wrapper block, then select it. After adding it, you'll see two options: Use Save Pattern and Create Pattern. Choose Create Pattern to make a new one. Next, fill in the form with the pattern slug and pattern name. When naming your pattern, make sure it's unique. For the pattern slug, use only lowercase letters and dashes as separators between words. For the pattern name, you can use any capitalization style and dashes aren't required. You can even make it similar to the slug if you prefer. Here's a quick tip for easier naming. Use this format: theme name, page name, section name. For example, Gutenverse Home Hero. If the section you're wrapping has the same design across different pages, you can enable the Export as Pattern Sync option. This helps categorize it as a synced pattern when your theme is exported. For now, let's leave it off, since the section we're wrapping doesn't need to sync. When you're done, click the Submit button. Then, drag the hero section into the pattern wrapper we just created. And that's it! You've successfully wrapped your first section. You can repeat the same steps for the other sections on your page. Now let's take a look at how to wrap a section using the Sync option. In this example, we'll use the Service section because it has the same design as the one in the Service page. Just like before, add the Pattern Wrapper block, then choose Create Pattern. Fill in the pattern slug and pattern name. You can use this format: theme name, then section name. This time, toggle Export as Pattern Sync to On. When you enable this option, the section will be exported as a synced pattern, meaning any changes you make to it later will automatically update across all pages using the same pattern. Once everything is set, click Submit and drag your Service section into the pattern wrapper. And that's it! That's how to create a synced pattern. You can repeat the same steps for the other sections that need to stay in sync. Next, let's take a look at the Use Saved Pattern option. This feature lets you reuse any pattern you've previously created, making it easy to keep your design consistent across different templates. For example, let's add our Service section into Services page. Edit your Service page. Once the editor is open, add the Pattern Wrapper block at the very top of the layout. After that, choose Use Saved Pattern. You'll see a list of all the patterns you've already created. To make it easier, search for the pattern name you want to use, then select it. Once it's inserted, you'll see the exact same design appear instantly. No need to rebuild it from scratch. And that's how you can use saved patterns to speed up your workflow and maintain consistent design across your theme. Now if you go to Theme Builder, Pattern, you'll see all the patterns you've created listed here. From this page, you can easily manage them. Click Quick Edit to update the pattern slug, pattern name, or turn on Export as Pattern Sync option. Or click the Editor button to open and edit the pattern content directly inside the editor. Just a quick reminder, when you're editing a pattern from the pattern editor, make sure you don't have another page open that also includes that same pattern. For example, if you're editing the Gutenverse Home About pattern, but your home page that includes this pattern is also open in another tab, it might cause an issue. If you save changes in the pattern editor and then later save the home page without updating that same pattern, your latest edits might get overwritten. So to avoid that, it's best to close other tabs that contain the same pattern before saving your changes. And that wraps up this tutorial. You've learned how to create and manage patterns in the Theme Builder. Next, we'll move on to finalizing your theme before exporting it. See you in the next video.